So whatever we may do after the age of 6 will have very less impact as compared to what we do in the early childhood education. But yet, we consider this segment as something which any layman can take up. What is it about? It's only about, alphabets, numbers, colors, shapes, rhymes. My mother can teach that. What's the big deal about this sector? But I think now, especially in the metro cities, there has been a complete understanding of this segment, and people realize that with the right foundation, the right early years training to a child, it goes a long way in ensuring the success of the child. Although there haven't been a lot of studies done in India on this topic, but there have been longitudinal studies which have been conducted over 16 years, 18 years in the US and UK about the effectiveness of preschool education, and it was clearly shown that children who had not just preschool education, but good preschool education were more successful, there were lower crime rates. So all the factors that we count in for success, preschool had a very large role to play for that. And we also get it from, we hear it from school principals where our children from our preschools go that your children are doing well and all that. And that is an effect of having a good foundation. So we have a very diverse panel here. We have Dr. Jatinder Nagpal on my right hand side, directly without preschool education, who come directly to our schools. Does she notice a change? Because since there have been no formal studies, I mean, we can all try and, as a society, learn and from experiences and from what people have to share. So the way we'll do it is, I think we'll have quick 5 to 7 minute presentations by everybody, talking about their background and what they feel are recent innovative trends in early childhood education. We may have some questions amongst each other, and then we'll open it up to the floor. The reason the seating has been kept like this, unlike the first one where we had a panel discussion on the stage, is to have a more interactive session. I think we're all, most of us are part of the education industry, so I think it's not just us. I'm sure there are people sitting in the audience today who have good experiences, and I think it'll be a much more livelier session if we all contribute.